Hello everyone. So today I'll be doing a quick review of Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G. So I've been using this phone for the last 3 months now, and so I just thought to quickly share my honest opinions about this phone, how this actually is being working as of now for the last 3 months. So before we begin, I'll quickly let you know what are the things that normally comes inside the box. So first of all, this is a 65-watt charger which normally comes along with the phone. Apart from the charger, there is also a headphone which comes in. So this is a Type-C headphone which comes in. So not too many companies are offering headphones right now, so Oppo is one of the company which is still providing headphones. And this is the normal plastic TPU cover which comes in. So this is pretty okay quality, nothing great. So this is all that comes normally inside the phone, and now I'll quickly talk about the phone. So first, talking about the design of the phone, I would say it is a very sleek and a premium phone, which you can see it's a very slim phone, and it's very looks really premium to hold, and it's really comfortable to hold in. Then one of the best part about this phone is it has the curved display, which again looks really premium and is one of the symbols of a flagship phone, I would say, nowadays. Another very good thing about this phone is that if you'll see the back, there are no fingerprints that normally comes with this phone. So it has a really special coating which makes it really fingerprint resistant. So it's anti-smudge. As you can see, there's no fingerprints which are coming in. Then if you look at the back panel, it also looks super premium, and if you see, it also changes the color, so it has a diamond cut finish and it really looks really premium. I don't know whether you are able to see it right now or not, but then it changes color and it looks really premium. Apart from that, it is really lightweight and it's very easy to use, I would say, really easy. One-hand operations are also very good with this particular phone. Apart from that, it also comes with Gorilla 5 protection, and it also has a complete aluminum frame which is there. So at the back it is glass, at the front again it's Corning Gorilla 5 protection, and on the frame is completely aluminum. So this is all about the design of this phone. Now I would say, coming on to the display, so I like the display really. The display is really amazing. If I increase the brightness to the 100% level, you can see the brightness is really outstanding, and during sunlight also there are no concerns. I am able to see everything very clearly, so the automatic brightness functions really work really good. Talking about the viewing angles, if you will see the viewing angles also from all directions, you are able to see the screen properly, exactly the way it is from the front. So everything is super clear and super premium, I would say. Talking about the HD quality experience, so maybe I'll quickly play one of the videos so that you can see the quality of the video as well.
जैसे समय भी छोड़ देना चाहिए।
पॉलिटिक्स करने वाले और भी बहुत से लोग हैं। वो लोग हमसे अलग हैं क्या पापा? देखो इसे, बिल्कुल तुम्हारी तरह बोल रहा है। तुम अपने ही घर वाले के अपोजिट खड़े होगे। ऑपोजिशन को कोई रोक नहीं सकता। मैं घर का आदमी हूं, इसलिए आप मुझे रोक रहे हो।
So as you can see, the movie, the binge watching experience is truly amazing, whether it is Netflix or Amazon Prime or Amazon Video or Hotstar, any of the apps. You can run any of the apps, and the movie experience and the watching experience is truly mind-blowing. Now coming to the processor, I would say, so I was kind of really skeptical whether should I go for this or not, because I've been normally using Snapdragon 8 series, which is the 865, 878, 888. So I've been using all the Snapdragons. I was a very, I would say, regular customer of Snapdragon, and I had a lot of belief in Snapdragons. But then I was really confused whether should I go with Dimensity 1200 or not. But then I took that risk, and then I bought this phone. And honestly, I'm super happy with the kind of performance coming in from this Snapdragon, from this MediaTek Dimensity 1200 octa-core processor. So it is honestly, it's a monster, I would say. Trust me, it's a monster. So there is no lag. If you'll see the speed, it is really mind-blowing. I'm running multiple apps, so there are multiple apps that I run, so there is no problem. You can see the kind of apps that I've downloaded. I have hundreds of apps that I have on my phone, so it runs super smooth, and there is no issue with the multitasking also. So I would say a super experience with context to what do you call with the processor. So amazing processor. Another issue where I felt before I was thinking to really go for this phone or not was the OS, operating system. So the operating system was Color OS, and I was normally more into OnePlus, so I was using the Oxygen OS, which was I was very much familiar about Oxygen OS and these what do you call the stock Android experience. But then I would say the experience in this phone is also similar, very similar to stock Android. Then I would say talking about the cameras, so there are the 4 rear cameras which you can see. So there is an ultra wide camera also, macro camera also, and then you have the main 64 megapixel camera also. At the same time you have this 32 megapixel front camera. So the camera performance is truly outstanding. So I've been using OnePlus, as I mentioned to you, and the camera quality I would say is at par or even better than OnePlus. The special effects, I would say that one of the best thing about the camera is the bokeh effect, which is, if you will see in the portrait, you have the bokeh effect, which is one of the best that you can get on any of the of these kind of songs. So you can see there's a bokeh flare effect, which is really outstanding on this phone. Now I would say talking about the sound quality of this phone, that is also really amazing. So I'll just quickly play one of the sound here, and then you can really see. So though it has only one speaker, it has only one speaker at the bottom, so there is no dual speaker. So there is on the top there is no speaker, and there is no sound that comes from the top ear speaker as well. But then the sound quality is really amazing, so with the one speaker itself. So I'll just play a quick song so that you can check the sound quality. As you can see, the sound quality is also really amazing on this. So there is no regret completely at all that I don't have a secondary speaker over here, another speaker. So the sound quality is perfect, and the sound, I would say, while watching the movies also is pretty awesome, and there is no complaint that you'll be getting with one speaker itself. Now coming, I would say, to the battery backup, again I would say that it has a 4500 mAh battery, which is pretty adequate, I would say. I'm a moderate user. I'm too much into, I would say, WhatsApp and all throughout the day, but then still this lasts for more than one day, I would say. And the fast charging is really amazing. You can charge the phone 100% in just 30 minutes, and on top of it there are no, I would say, heating issues also in this phone. The phone is, I would say, is really, the cooling technology in this phone is really amazing. The cooling, it gets really fast, like there is no heating issue as such that you get. Another thing in the battery is the super battery saver mode, which is there. So if you are really cannot charge the phone and the battery is really low, you can just turn on the super power saving mode that can really give that extra boost to your phone. But one good part about this thing is that you can still use your WhatsApp and everything. So in other, like I was using the MI phone previously, it has the super saving power mode, but then there was no, you cannot use the WhatsApp and anything over there. But then in this phone you can still use WhatsApp, so which is a very cool feature, I would say. Now coming to I would say, if I talk about the gaming, I would say the gaming, I'm not a hardcore gamer, but then maybe I can quickly play one of the game. There is absolutely no problems in playing any of the games, so I'm just playing the Asphalt as of now, man. It runs pretty smooth, I would say. There's no issue that I've been facing with gaming also, and no heating issues also coming in from this particular phone while playing any of the games. As you can see, the sound is also really amazing. So as you can see, the gaming is also mind-blowing, so there's no lag or anything that you will see also while playing the games. So that was more about some of the key things that I liked about the phone. Apart from that, some also really good features which are there in this phone, I would say, is the live wallpapers. So if you'll see, there are live wallpapers which are there in this particular phone. So these are the live wallpapers, and if you'll see some of the live wallpapers, it looks really cool and really premium. And I would say you'll get a completely flagship experience while using these live wallpapers. Apart from that, I would say in terms of fingerprint styles also, so I have been using, as I told you, OnePlus. So there were only 3-4 styles which are there in OnePlus, but here there are, you can see, multiple options which are there in order to do the fingerprint animation. So a lot of animations which are there for fingerprint scanners. Another good thing is the side edge light notifications. So there are multiple color options that you can choose from. This is also a very cool feature which gives really a lot of premium feel to your the handset. Then another good feature about this thing is also the smart slide bar which is there. So you can see you can just have dual screen, and you can choose what app you want to put in that, and you can have another screen, and you can work on 2 different things at the same time. So these were some of the good things. Then apart from talking about the basics, I would say the quality is really superb. The Wi-Fi connectivity is really amazing, I would say. The Bluetooth connectivity is really amazing, whether it is any of the Bluetooth speakers, any of the party speakers, any of the car audio, it connects with everything. So overall, I am super happy with this phone. Honestly, as I mentioned to you earlier also, I was not really keen that I really go for Oppo, because I've got a lot of I would say negative feedback about Oppo, that these are like Chinese phones and not that great. And so I took a lot of risk, and after doing a lot of research, I went on for Oppo after maybe using OnePlus for several years. I would say I've been using OnePlus 7 also, OnePlus 8 also, OnePlus 9 also, 9 Pro also, but honestly I felt really satisfied with this phone. So these were some of the best things that I liked about this phone. Now if I talk about some of the shortcomings, as such there's not too many shortcomings from this handphone, but then if I seriously need to really come up with some of the shortcomings, so the one biggest shortcoming is only the speaker. So it has only one speaker. Another speaker, dual firing speakers, would have been really amazing in this phone, and it would have made this phone the best, I would say, the handset. And the second, just that if I need to really pick, is the back cover quality. The back cover is not that great. So that's it. I think overall, super amazing phone, and I'm super happy. So normally I'm in a habit of changing phones every, I would say, 2-3 months, but then with this phone I really don't see a need to change this phone, and I'm pretty happy and satisfied using this phone. So if you are basically looking out for a flagship level kind of a performance, with a really good camera, with a sleek design, curved display, really amazing, I would say, sound also, and some amazing looks, I would say, please do not hesitate and close your eyes, and you can definitely go ahead with this particular phone if you have a budget of, let's say, around 35,000 and you are looking for a flagship experience. So that's it, I think, today from my side. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and have a great day. Thank you.